Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So today's first DIY is going to feature a mirror design. This one is so simplistic, definitely beginner friendly. And to me, this looks like such a high-end product, and the fact that she probably got all of these items from the dollar store amazes me. Wow, so gorgeous. Definitely elevated the space as well. Loving this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, it looks like she has some type of bamboo. Oh, she made a table with that. Wow. This is absolutely incredible. Looks like something that she definitely spent like hundreds of dollars on, and she simply made it herself. So cool. So then we have some type of vase DIY. Very pretty, another easy design. And then we have a DIY featuring some clay. So she's rolling it out. And there's so many different projects that you can do with clay. So she did like the double chain look, put it in the oven to bake, and bam. Now I'm sure she probably painted this. She didn't show it, but very cool. Another simple DIY. And then we have someone doing a dough bowl design. I had no idea that's what they were called. So for this one, you're basically just creating like a little centerpiece, putting the candles in there, making it look all pretty. You can use any type of greenery that you want or flowers. And this is something that can actually sit like on your dining room table like all year round. Or you can also put it on like your fireplace mantle. Very cool, nice simplistic design, nothing too complicated. This is also very beginner friendly as well, I would say. So we have a DIY that features some woodwork. And they made like a nice decorative stand out of that. Very cool, very easy design if you actually know how to work with wood. Oh, I wonder if she made that vase that's sitting on top. That's very uniquely shaped. And of course, after she did the wood, she probably stained it. So then we have this Tic Tac Toe decorative piece. So she found this at the dollar store, Family Dollar. And then simply spray painted it gold. This is genius. This was a steal, honestly. Oh, if she would have did this back parting in black, oh, I would have been obsessed with this DIY. If you guys are new to the channel, I love black and gold pieces. So yeah, if she would have did the X and the O's in gold and then did the base part in black, oh, I would have been obsessed with this one. I can't even talk right because just thinking about it just makes me so happy. And then we have some candles here. I love this trend, especially with the pastel candles. They just look so pretty, twisted, and the unique shapes that you can do with them. So much fun. So she did kind of like a double twist for that one. I thought that was really cool. The pink and the white together, and then put flowers on one of them. Hearts. That just really added a nice little unique element. I've never seen that before. Very pretty. And then styled it all together. I love this. So then we have kind of like a hoop design. Followed by more kind of hoop style decor. Now, if she would have painted this part gold, yes, that would have been just like another amazing DIY for me. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with gold. I have a problem, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Oh, it looks like they might be making like the Curvy Bookshelf. Oh yeah. Oh, this is cool. I like this trend too, the curvy shelves. I think it looks so cool. I like the whole little setup. Oh, he put that together for his wife. So sweet. And then we have someone decorating a glass cylinder with these wooden pieces. This is another like very easy DIY. Perfect for like the spring too. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.